Hey everybody, this is Marcus Eligan, broker owner of Mortgage Experts, your favorite mortgage expert. Today I want to talk to you about renovation loans. I'm going to get more in detail. So this week, this series is going to be about renovation loans. What type of loans are there? Down payments? What can I get fixed? How to pick your contractor. So I'm going to go through all of those series of videos this week. So please be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. But today I'm going to talk about the renovation loans and basically the basics. So you can actually get a renovation loan using an FHA loan, a conventional loan, a USDA loan, as well as a VA loan. Attention veterans. Yes, you can renovate your home using a VA loan as well. So basically the down payments vary. For instance, FHA is 3.5% down of the actual loan amount plus or sales price plus repairs. If you're purchasing a home, conventional is 5% down. USDA is 0% down. So if you find a property in the USDA zone, you can actually get a renovation loan and fix up your home for 0% down, not excluding closing costs, of course. And VA is also 0% down as well. But I just wanted to share that information with you, and stay tuned to more information coming soon.